Ayun guys, yung nag-aantay sa atin si Suresh. Yan, yung dati natin training yan. Si Suresh, oh, daming pila sa ano. Daming pila sa... Ayun siya, ayun siya. Paano ba yung baliktad to? Patay. Hindi nga pa ibaliktad to. Yan si Suresh. Yung tropa natin dati. Tropa natin. What happened to you? Ha, boss, what happened? See? How are you? How are you? What happened to you? See, Suresh. Yan, tropa yan. What happened to you? You want to eat KFC? Yeah, let's go. Let's eat KFC.
You have to become fat.
Huh? I'm getting fat? No, I'm not fat. You want to eat KFC?
But you are sexy now.
Hey, sexy. Parang, oh yeah, you want to eat KFC now?
Yeah.
Yeah, go. You want to eat daw siya.